Today I'm installing this bash plate by Flatland Racing. You're going to start by removing 4 Allen bolts. Those are here, 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 and here. And then once we get that panel removed, there's going to be 2 10mm bolts underneath. Those are here and here. And the 2 other bolts are 10mm as well, and those are underneath the panel you just removed. After removing those last 2 bolts underneath, the panel should fall right off. By installing these 2 front bolts first, it's going to help steady the plate and keep it held up while we work on the lower 2 bolts and their clamps. Now you're just going to slip these clamps over the frame and line these bolts up. These bolts take an Allen wrench, and it's actually the same size Allen wrench as all the other Allen screws that hold the panels in on the bike. Now that I have this panel loosely in place, I'm going to go ahead and torque up these bolts. Now we're almost done. We just need to reinstall that front panel. Well, that's all there is to it, and it was a very easy install, so I'll see you out there on the trail.